Diversity jurisdiction gives federal courts subject matter jurisdiction to hear disputes between citizens of diverse or different states. But how is citizenship determined if someone just moved? The court explored this question in Baker v. Keck. J.H. Baker was an Illinois farmer. In Illinois, two rival labor unions, the United Mine Workers and the Progressive Miners of America, were engaged in a violent struggle for control. Baker sympathized with the United Mine Workers. He claimed several progressive miners attacked him. Another account claimed that some members of the United Mine Workers ambushed a group of progressive miners, and Baker got caught in the middle. Either way, the result was that a progressive miner shot off Baker's arm. Baker and his family packed almost all their belongings and moved to Oklahoma. The United Mine Workers paid Baker's moving expenses. Baker tried to rent his Illinois farm, but shortly after Baker left, his farmhouse burned to the ground and the tenant left. In Oklahoma, Baker rented farmland, registered to vote, and volunteered to help with a community project. During his first year in Oklahoma, Baker kept 60 chickens and raised food for his family. Baker then renewed his original lease and leased additional Oklahoma farmland. Baker sued William Keck and other progressive miners in federal district court in Illinois for damages caused by his injury. Baker alleged that the federal court had diversity jurisdiction to hear the dispute. The progressive miners were citizens of Illinois, and Baker claimed that he was a citizen of Oklahoma. The progressive miners moved to dismiss the lawsuit, arguing that diversity jurisdiction didn't exist because Baker was still a citizen of Illinois. At the motion hearing, Baker testified that he moved to Oklahoma with the intention to make it his new home, and that he still intended to live there indefinitely. The progressive miners presented witnesses who testified that Baker had told them he intended to move back to Illinois after the lawsuit was over. The district court then ruled on the motion to dismiss.